Yan. Today's hairstylist for bride number 1. This is Miss Yel, the improved version. Just improved. Our bride, fresh from Japan. Look at the yukata. Kirei!
Ah, balik daw.
Ay, siling una. Magkumanuban ka sa kami.
Ano?
Padulong nami nako sa the view. And then, gibili na akong hairstylist na si Tata to take care of Ma'am Kim. So, Tata is hairstylist and makeup artist as well. So, 2-in-1. And I'm confident na maalagaan niya si Ma'am Kim for her look changes, for retouch, and also for her final look for the reception. But yeah, I'm so thrilled to see my first ever bride in yukata. 10 minutes. Around 20 minutes with live traffic. And then I heard that wala pa ang bride sa the view, which is actually a good thing. Kaya mauna ko lubot sa iya. Of course, we always want to be earlier than our clients. So, it's a good thing. Salamat yan na kay Barya sa umaga. So, this is our first client in the view. Ganda niya, oh. Yeah, actually, we're just still waiting for the bride. Kaya punta mo man, anay mo, dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina yan. Yeah, so we're ready for the bride. So today, for the second bride here in the view, we're doing airbrush makeup. Ta-da! And then, yeah, I have my second set of brush right there. And OTD. Maka video-video, nagigid ko ka ganina. Ay, uptik-uptik, di kang gid ang show. Dali lang, gagmay lang. Pero naka-video ko kay Ma'am Kim. Gwapa kay si Ma'am Kim. Magtanaw ka ani na video, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Yan. Diba? Ganda ng client ko, oh. So, if you are gonna book the view, muna siya ang view sa the view. So, usually, dira gonna hold ang ceremony. Then, up there, there's a reception area. Also, dito, ang morgue open. Photographer, the bridal coordinator, ang bride ni ma'am. Nauna pa ang gown ni ma'am kaysa kay ma'am.
Mas excited siya.
Yes.
So, siya na yung make-upan mo.
Yeah, pwede ra pod. Ang giveaways, I think, for the ninongs and ninangs, na details. Nag-shoot na sila, sir. Hello, sir. Okay, this is the mess. Muna yung kalat after. And now we have from Shine to Dawn. Dawn Zulueta. Okay, so naman ako. Si Uding na po ang kaning kamot room. Ginaset lang niya ang hair. For the first look, that's the prep look. Na usually nakalugay na kulot. Ano siya? So si sir nagkakuha og candid shots. Yan. This is my other hairstylist, Oding. Odessa. Dalagang Pilipina. So mag-taste siya gamay sa roots for volume. Ana rin na siya, Ding. Ganyan. Ginahot lagi ni mo, Ding.
Ang kato nga din. Okay mo. Bago ba pa isuon? I see.
Yan. Instant artista mga bride. Sa wedding. Thank you. I-appeal yun ako na sa vlog. Di na ako na-edit.
Loma.
Do with hangin-hangin
Look down lang. Look down. Look down lang. Go! Closer! Dalabre!
Time for us. Bapo lang yung reflection. Actually, nagpaabot mi og lunch. Lunch. Wala pa mo food.
Lubat na.
Naka-extra battery. So, ana siya, if you're working on a wedding, they provide you with a staff meal. So, sometimes lunch, sometimes included ang dinner. Depends on how long you're gonna stay for the event. Uy, hap ko yung lighting ay. Love it. Mauna, dapat ang makeup pang malakasan gyud kay. Grabe ka init, padagan-daganan ko gyud mo. Diba? Dili pwede nga dili mag-standby. Final retouch. Pag human sa ceremony, mag-stay gyapon mo diri kay mag-retouch before the start of the reception. So sometimes we touch lang, sometimes magpa-change look ang bride, depende sa ilang gusto. And yeah, and then while we're waiting na human ang ceremony, mag-snacks! Oh, and we have gelato. Gelato from Giardina Gelato. Saan ni flavor ding?
Vanilla o
And mocha. Chocolate.
Mocha.
Oh, vanilla daw, vanilla. Okay. So, I'm gonna have this gelato now. Kalami sa snack. Oy, thank you, Ma'am Shine. Hey guys, time check. It's 7:30 in the evening. Medyo late ang wedding today, but they just finished the ceremony and they're doing the untouched pictorial. Ibig sabihin, kanang wala pa'y tao or guest na nisulod sa ilahang reception area. Mag-picture-picture sila kay para feel nice. So, we have to stay here, retouch before the untouched pictorial, and then after the pictorial, magawas ni sa reception area to do the final retouch and look change before their grand entrance in front of the guests. So, muna siya. So, this wedding is a bit later than expected, but we're trying to speed it up para makasunod ng mga guests kaya medyo magiging na kasi paggutom na sila.
Ay, Joko. Sundo.
Sundo. Kisa sundo, Joko?
Joko, Papa. Sundo. Mama, sundo.
Sundo. Sundo ati siya na.
Sundo.
Sundo, o ding.
Sundo, Ding.
Ding, di ka makita sa camera lagi, ding.
Sindi na.
Yeah, ugma na po. Same venue. So, gibili na mo ang, tawin ang kung mga chair and lights sa the view kay diri gyapon mi ugma sa buntag. So, hayahay na ko ugma. Yes. Clean up my brushes and go to bed early. Let's start. This is another morning tomorrow. Good morning, Tambok. Good morning, Tambok. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Mayong buntag, good morning. It's a beautiful Sunday morning kay sakto-sakto atong tulog kagabi and dili kayo sayo ang call time today. I'm going to the view again for another wedding and dihan lang nag-message akong cellphone. Yeah, so I'm excited to do this wedding. I will see familiar faces later because this is actually the wedding of my friend's cousin. So yeah, so I'm gonna do my friend's makeup with today, so that's really cool. Alright, I'll see you later when I get to the view. All done. Deja vu lang, deja vu. No. Sleeping Beauty diri, oh. Okay. The most awaited part. Lunchtime. The I-vlog yun, nag-vlog ko cook like weekend in the life of a makeup artist. Kani gud mo highlight good. Like, you know, okay, good.
And make face walkie boots. Duck face ba yan? Yan.
We're going out for photo shoot again. Lovely gown. So nice. Isaw! Parang the light ng ay ko. Para kita ang beauty. Isaw! Yay! Nikki is all set. Ta-da! Dun 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 dun! Namino ko sa kanta sa akong friend na si Carmina. Medtech na, wedding singer pa. And then, manghipos na pod mi. Maghulat na mahuman ang wedding. Mag-retouch sa bride. And then, join the reception. Ayo. Na-realize ako na wala pa dahil ko ending sa akong video, no? Kay hag sagid kay kagabi eh. Hagba na sa katre pag uli. But anyway, today is a lazy day. Wala ko early call time. Unya pang alas 11. So pwede pa kong mubalik og tulog. Kay sayo-sayo pa. Sakto gid akong tulog karong adlaw. But yeah, I hope na enjoy mo og tan-aw sa kinabuhi sa isa ka simpleng makeup artist. That was Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Kayod gyud og trabaho sa weekends. Ug kung pwede sa weekdays pod unta. So please, book na mo. Just message me on my Facebook page. Promo na. May mong promo. But yeah, anyway, salamat sa pagtan-aw. O kita-kits sa next video. Bye!